Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is John from Volkswagenplanet. And today I just wanted to sit back, take a step away from all the hustle and bustle of these daily grinds and these daily projects, and just sit back and just look at just how beautiful these little cars really are. And it just really makes you think about the overall picture. And what I mean by that is, I guess a lot of us call it the VW community. The VW community has a lot of different meanings for a lot of different people. It could be simple as, hey, reaching out, giving a helping hand to those in need, or even just reaching your hand out, shaking a hand, and meeting a new friend. But we always talk about the VW community, the VW community, the VW community, how special it is, how great it is. Well, I want you guys to comment below on what is it that makes the VW community special to you? Because maybe some of these new guys, or even the younger generation, doesn't really understand what we're talking about. You know how they have their own terminology and slang on words and stuff like that. We use this, I won't say we use this word loosely, but a lot of people take the word, or the VW community word or phrase, truly by heart. And I really think if we step forward and really nurture the up-and-coming generation, or even the newbies coming into the hobby, that we can keep our great VW, whether it's a Bug, Bus, Gia, Thing, single or double cab, whatever the case may be. We got to keep this, our great hobby, I guess you could say, going. So I want you guys to comment below on just something small about what the VW community means to you. Like the subscriber I had a couple days ago who wrote in and asked about the difference between a Super Beetle and a standard Beetle, because him and his father were getting back in, or his father was getting back into it and was bringing his son along, but the son was the one who initiated everything. Now, the son might not understand as much as the father did, or vice versa, you know. And this is the kind of things that we really need to focus on. And I won't say go out of your way, but guys, if you're a content creator, and what I mean by that is if you make videos and somebody takes the time and reaches out to you on a question, comment, concern, whether negative or positive, we as the VW community, as I personally think, we need to respond, you know, I won't say instantly, but we need to do it in a reasonable amount of time. This is how we keep, you know, our great hobby going. It's not, oh, I'm too busy. We need to stop making mistakes, step back, and think about where we came from and the true roots of the VW. You know, they don't call this the people's car for nothing. Great people, I've met great, awesome people through the VW community, whether it's car shows, club events, even just a VW gathering. And we all love the VW. We all have stories, whether you love them or you hate them. Everybody always has a story about these great cars. So, like I said, I don't care how big your channel is. You know, if you're the busiest YouTube person on YouTube, you know, 10 million views a day, or if you get 3 views a day, it doesn't make a difference, guys. If somebody reaches out and comments, you need to return just the respect about returning the messages, even if you just say thank you. And I want to say to all the new subscribers out there, or even if you have a brand new VW channel and you just want to reach out and say hello, I will just let me know that you're a new channel. I will subscribe to you and I will watch your content. You guys have watched my content in the past. I'm a really, really, really small channel in this real big pond. You know, I don't knock the guys who you know, get paid off YouTube. I don't knock them whatsoever. But I didn't get into this to get paid, nor do I really care, but I don't knock the guys who unfortunately have gone that route. And I won't say unfortunately, because they're a great asset to the hobby also. It's just not for me, but even those big guys step back once in a while and say, hey, what's going on? I appreciate it. And that's what we have to do to keep this hobby going. And if you guys, like I said, if any of you guys have any questions, any comments, any concerns whatsoever, and you don't want to leave it in public, you can always contact me at Volkswagenplanet.com. Go to the Contact Us section, fill out the little quick form right there, and the message comes right to my cell phone, guys. That happened with a subscriber who, like I said, who wanted to know the difference between the Beetle and Super Beetle, but he thought it was a stupid because, you know, he just didn't want to feel ashamed or feel embarrassed. There is no embarrassing questions. I embarrass myself every single day. So if you guys believe in this and everything else, hit that thumbs up button, share it, and just leave a comment. But most important of all, guys, the guys who have these channels, if you're willing to make a video, you wanted to do it to show your great car, your great time, and everything else, but you also wanted to reach out to people to get their attention. Well, you owe it back to them to respond to their comments. So take care, guys. As always, God bless you. God bless your family. God bless our great nation, the United States of America, and we'll catch you on the next video. You can also contact us or follow us through all of our social media at Volkswagen Planet, and hit up the website at Volkswagenplanet.com. Right now it's currently being updated as we speak. It should be ready to go by the weekend. So I would say a good bet, check on the weekends, see what's been updated, comment below, blah, 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 you know, all that stuff. Because one day, guys, YouTube's not going to be here. And everybody's not going to be paying for Patreon and everything else. So we just need to make the community better. And this is our first step. I hope you guys think the way I do. And even if you don't think the way I do, just think about where have you been and who helped you get started to where you are at today. We all started at the bottom. We all started newbies. We all been green. And somebody has helped you or has pushed you through to get you where you're at today. And we owe it to the up-and-comers to keep our hobby alive, so we have something to appreciate in the years to come. I'm sorry it's been a little longer than what I expected, guys, but take care, and we'll catch you on the next video.